Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So it's very easy. Just go to your search bar and search for control panel. Then just open up control panel from the best match. Then just maximize this. And from here, you need to make sure view by is set to large icons. Then from here, just go inside mouse and open up mouse. Then from here, just go to wheel. And from here, you can select the roll the wheel one notch to the scroll, the following number of lines a time, and change this to maybe 7. And tilt the wheel to scroll the following number of characters at a time, change this to 4 maybe. You can also change this to 5 or something, 5 or 6, whatever. Just keep trying and then just check your scroll if it works or not. Switch it a bit and try, and click on apply, click on OK. And hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.